I found a space in a warehouse that I can use for my new shop. While it's under construction, I had time to think about how to make this room that's about the size of a single-car garage as functional as possible. There was a lot to consider, and this is the layout I settled on after accounting for all of my tables and tools. Each large tool needs a specific amount of space to operate. With this arrangement, all the saws can accommodate an 8-foot-long piece of stock material. A collapsing table that can hold 4x8 sheets fits in the center with at least 30-inch wide walkways all around it. To keep floor space open, I'll mount the dust collector on the wall. You may have seen my video on making this portable high-flow air filter. It works great for all sorts of things, but under extreme loads, it does not prevent dust from accumulating in other parts of the shop. Pretty much all of these tools are capable of blasting fine dust into the air. It's a safety hazard and a quality issue with the things that I make. So without next-level air filtration, this partial wall here won't stop any airborne particles from finding their way back here. This is where I'll keep the 3D printers and paint booth with outside ventilation. All of this stuff needs to stay dust-free. Here's what I came up with to help make that possible. It's a filter system that's powered by a 4000 CFM fan that pulls air down a duct from the far side of the room. What I'm hoping is that the wind generated by the fan will blow away any dust that accumulates in this space. The positive pressure at this end will want to find the negative pressure zone up in front. With any luck, the air will smoothly transition from the back to the front with as little turbulence as possible. This pegboard wall might help with that. The current then flows over the tools that produce dust and into 4 massive filters capable of removing up to 84% of particles smaller than 1 micron. With this design, the whole shop will be filtered in a closed loop 1 time every single minute. Air from the AC vents also flows in on the back and out on the front. This should further help to keep dust out of the clean room. I also plan to turn my trash can into a cyclonic dust separator and then filter the air coming out of the collector a second time. With any luck, this will put an end to virtually all airborne dust in this space. But then again, maybe it won't. What do you think? Will the new air filter be able to keep this place clean? Let me know in the comments. Naturally, I want to get into much more detail on all the various aspects of this build-out in future videos. Those will show up here when they're ready. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and support the channel on Patreon.